Welcome to Liverpool, a maritime city in the northwest of England where the River Mersey meets the Irish Sea. And we have 6 fascinating facts about this fabulous city. The Royal School for the Blind in Liverpool is the oldest specialist school in the UK. It was founded in 1791. Not only that, it is the oldest school of its kind in the world in continuous operation, and the first in the world founded by a blind person, Edward Rushton, who was also an anti-slavery campaigner. There are not 1 but 2 schools in Liverpool. The unfortunately named Catholic Blind Asylum was founded in 1841, now known as St Vincent's or Vinnie's to its pupils, and it continues to welcome students from across the UK. Liverpool also has not 1 but 2 cathedrals. The city has a large Catholic population, partly due to the large numbers of Irish fleeing the Great Famine in the mid-19th century. The Anglican Cathedral is the largest religious building in Britain and dominates the Liverpool skyline. It was built between 1904 and 1978. Here you can admire the world's highest and widest Gothic arches and the UK's largest organ. Half a mile up the road is Britain's largest Catholic cathedral, a very different confection, an unusual modernistic wigwam-type structure with a central altar and stunning stained glass windows. Liverpool also has not 1 but 2 football clubs. The red half of the city supports Liverpool FC and the blue half supports Everton. Together they make Liverpool the most successful footballing city in Great Britain. Liverpool is packed with museums and art galleries and was the first English city to be awarded the title of European Capital of Culture, which coincided with its 800th anniversary. Liverpool holds the Guinness Book of Records for being the capital of pop. More Liverpool artists have had a number 1 hit than any other town or city, with none other than the Beatles leading the way. Finally, Liverpudlians, or Scousers, have a very distinctive way of speaking, which can sometimes be difficult for the uninitiated to understand. It is heavily influenced by the Irish connection and also American due to its maritime links with North America. Ta-ra, Teresa, see you in the boozer on Tuesday, roughly translates as goodbye, Teresa, see you in the pub on Tuesday. Thank you for joining us at the 2020 General Assembly of the International Council on English Braille.